I think the euro-dollar works very well. It has been in a relatively range-bound market of late, but that doesn't mean charting patterns don't work within range-bound, within trending markets. Currency markets can trend well. Euro-dollar has trended well over the past. It's picking the change of movement from a trending market to a range-bound market that's skilled, and the chart can help in those predictions. I think that's a good macro question, because I think that very much depends on your view of probably as much on the strength of the dollar or the strength of the US economy as it does on the strength of the European economy. Obviously, the European economy is fraught with the conflicts that are going on internally within the countries that make up the Eurozone. Versus, the Americans went through that so many years ago. Is the American economy as strong as it was? It's tended to be a bit, particularly through this time of recession, it's been quite insular and inward facing, and certainly Europe, by definition, because of the newness of the zone itself, has been outward facing. It does business with China, it does business with with the UK, obviously it does business with the US. A good case can be made for whether the euro would replace the dollar in the fullness of time. I think a lot of that comes down to whether you believe the US economy has got the strength to hold on to the number one position in 10 years' time or so. I think if it doesn't, I think there's every chance that the euro, if it does start to look like becoming the currency of the central currency, it will strengthen against the dollar. If you believe that's the changing face of world politics, there's a good chance that you could reach parity, purely because people will look to buy the same way people buy dollars in time of crisis, because they want a safe haven. The euro becomes that replacement. It used to be gold, it used to be the dollar. If you're looking for a new safe haven, if the euro can manifest itself into that role, by definition it gets stronger. Doesn't necessarily suit all the countries in the eurozone to have a strong currency, but I can certainly see that would be one of the consequences of such a move.